Welcome to the Skilled MBA Finance Case Study Series, where we explore key innovations transforming financial ecosystems and driving inclusive economic growth. India's micro, small, and medium enterprises, the backbone of the nation's economy, often struggle with access to timely credit. The Trade Receivables Discounting System, or TREDS, along with the Receivables Exchange of India Limited, RXIL, is changing that landscape. These platforms enable multi-financier factoring, streamlining invoice discounting and accelerating payments from large buyers to small suppliers. By reducing credit risk and enhancing liquidity, they create a robust digital infrastructure that empowers small businesses and supports sustained economic development. Understanding the operational mechanisms of TREDS and RXIL is critical for financial professionals, policy advocates, and entrepreneurs aiming to leverage this innovation for strategic growth. The Trade Receivables Discounting System, TREDS, is a policy framework by the Reserve Bank of India designed to address the credit challenges faced by micro, small, and medium enterprises. It facilitates the financing of trade receivables through a transparent and efficient digital platform, enabling quicker access to funds and reducing dependency on traditional credit channels. Micro, small, and medium enterprises contribute 30% to India's gross domestic product and support 110 million jobs, yet face a 25.8 trillion rupees credit gap. Challenges include extended payment cycles from large buyers, limited access to formal credit, high collateral demands, and insufficient financial documentation. These constraints hinder their growth and financial stability. Large buyers frequently delay payments to micro, small, and medium enterprises by 90 to 120 days, causing significant working capital strain. This delay forces micro, small, and medium enterprises to self-fund operations, leading to limited liquidity and cash flow constraints. Consequently, these financial pressures create growth bottlenecks, hindering their ability to invest in expansion or innovation. The Trade Receivables Discounting System, launched by the Reserve Bank of India in 2016, is a digital platform designed to alleviate micro, small, and medium enterprises' working capital issues. It facilitates electronic bill discounting by connecting micro, small, and medium enterprises with financiers through a competitive auction. Large buyers confirm invoice authenticity, enabling non-recourse financing without collateral, based on confirmed receivables. Micro, small, and medium enterprises suppliers upload invoices to the Trade Receivables Discounting System platform post-delivery. Corporate buyers validate and accept these invoices. Financiers then engage in competitive bidding to discount the invoice. Micro, small, and medium enterprises receive immediate funds, minus the discount. The buyer settles the payment with the financier on the original due date. Receivables Exchange of India Limited, the first trade receivables discounting system platform licensed by Reserve Bank of India, is a joint venture between Small Industries Development Bank of India and National Stock Exchange. It offers an end-to-end digital process with real-time auctions and transparent pricing. Benefits include reduced paperwork, competitive discount rates, no additional collateral, and improved buyer-seller relations, enhancing financial efficiency for micro, small and medium enterprises. Suyog Electricals Limited, a medium-sized manufacturer with a 50 crore rupees turnover, faced challenges with 90 to 120-day payment cycles, tying up working capital in receivables. This limited their capacity to take new orders and led to high interest costs on loans. These issues hindered their growth and operational efficiency. Suyog's transformation began with RXIL registration, requiring minimal documentation. Major clients participated, validating invoices. The first transaction saw a 25 lakh rupees invoice discounted at 7.5% annualized. Now, 80% of invoices use Trade Receivables Discounting System, reducing days sales outstanding from 95 to 38 days, improving working capital by 35%, and boosting business growth by 20%. Sheldon Wires Limited is evaluating TREDS adoption after observing Suyog's success. They anticipate benefits like improved liquidity, better supplier negotiations, competitive interest rates, and faster scaling. However, concerns include digital readiness, buyer participation, documentation, and change management. Addressing these could unlock significant operational advantages. Trade Receivables Discounting System platforms must innovate to engage informal micro, small, and medium enterprises, representing over 90% of the sector. Incentives and regulatory measures are crucial to encourage large buyers to participate despite their preference for extended payment terms. Financiers need robust risk assessment frameworks to evaluate invoice risk without traditional collateral. Technological advancements are essential to streamline micro, small, and medium enterprise financing. The TREDS landscape features 3 licensed platforms: RXIL, A-TREDS, and Exchange. Recent developments include mandatory central public sector enterprises participation, goods and services tax integration for invoice verification, government e-marketplace integration, and an increased transaction size limit to 50 crore rupees. These advancements enhance the efficiency and reach of TReDS, addressing credit challenges in the micro, small and medium enterprises sector. Trade receivables discounting system exemplifies financial innovation by reimagining transaction processes to address credit challenges without new products. Public-private partnerships enhance digital financial infrastructure, fostering trust and adoption. Micro, small and medium enterprises require transparent systems to reduce information asymmetry in supply chains. Technology-enabled platforms offer scalable solutions, bridging financial inclusion gaps beyond traditional banking capabilities. TReDS and RXIL are pioneering digital financial infrastructure in India. Account aggregators enhance credit assessment through consent-based data sharing. The Open Credit Enablement Network connects lenders and borrowers via application programming interfaces, while digital public infrastructure integrates identity, payments, and data exchange nationally. These innovations collectively empower micro, small, and medium enterprises, fostering inclusive finance. TReDS and RXIL exemplify how technology can bridge trust gaps, empowering small businesses at scale. As India develops digital credit infrastructure, micro, small and medium enterprises stand to benefit significantly, driving the nation's growth. This transformation highlights the potential of digital platforms in fostering inclusive finance, ensuring that small enterprises thrive in a rapidly evolving economic landscape. Thank you for joining us on this episode of the Skilled MBA Finance Case Study Series. Cell phone mobile, जोड़ 918753000795 email support@skilledumber.com Prithvi website www.skilledumber.com